Welcome to the show where we travel city to city across America, diving deep into the real stories behind your favorite spots. From hidden gems to the most talked about places, we compare our professional reviews to the ratings and rants you see online. Do they live up to the hype or fall short? Join us as we uncover the truth behind the stars, sift through the noise, and give you the honest, no-nonsense breakdown you need before planning your next trip or night out. I'm Charles Luttrell, and this is Chasing the Stars. Let's hit the road and see where the stars take us next. You've probably been told farmers markets have better produce, but after this $20 test between a local market and Wegmans, that might not be true. We're here at Lohr's Orchard. Check out their selection for this time of the year. Apples, tomatoes, and strawberries. Time to unpack and taste this fresh produce. Seasonal strawberries and Gold Rush apples. Sharp acidic tang, rich spicy sweetness. These strawberries were freshly picked, juicy, soft, and slightly spongy texture with a delicate, rough exterior, while their taste balances bright, floral sweetness with a gentle, tangy tartness. $13.50 for strawberries and apples. Everyone says local markets are better, so I tested it against Wegmans to see if that's actually true. Wegmans offers an extensive produce department renowned for high-quality organic choices, pre-cut convenience items, and seasonal fruits and vegetables sourced directly from regional partner farms. At Wegmans, we spent $2.09 on green peppers, $2.93 on apples, and $2.61 on pears. The skin is thick, tough, and notoriously shiny, smooth, and waxy to the touch. This red, delicious apple is very mild, subtly sweet flavor with almost no tartness, fresh and crisp. Because it's harvest season and there's so much to compare, this Wegmans versus Lohr's Orchard showdown is too big for one episode, so we're breaking it into multiple parts.